doctor administers a drug to a 30 kg patient using a dosage formula of 53 mg per kilogram per day. Assume that the drug is available in a 200 milligrams per 5 ml suspension or in a 300 mg tablet. For the first question we have here is how many tablets should a 30 kg patient take every 4 hours? So that's the first question, okay? Now the second is the suspension with a drop factor of 10 GTT. Now GTT is a perioperative term, all right? So GTT is a Latin word. So let me give you that. So GTT is a Latin word. I don't know how to call it, GATA, right? And it means drop. So it's a perioperative term. So yeah, very popular term in medicine. Okay, so that is the meaning of that. Now, delivers the drug intravenously to the patient over a 12-hour period. What flow rate should be used in unit of GATA or GTT per hour? Okay, now let's get into this problem. So we've been given how much this patient weighs. So we will start by going this way. So we do 30 kg divided by 1. And then we're going to multiply this, okay? Considering that kg is up here, kg is going to be at the bottom, and then 53 mg will be there. And we shouldn't forget that this is per day. Is that okay? Now the goal is that this will take care of that. Okay, we will do some further calculations as we move along. And then we also should know that one day, as stated in the problem, so this is given every, so it gave the hours, so it says every 4 hours. Now, if 30 kg take every 4 hours, right? If this is given every 4 hours in a day, how many will we administer? How many times would this patient take the medication? So we have to do 24 divided by what? By 4, which is 6. So in a day, we will administer this medication 6 times. So this is 6 times, and this is every 4 hours. So you don't divide by 4, but rather you divide by 6. Is that okay? And now it says that we should assume in a 300 mg tablet. So we're going to multiply this by, it says 1 tablet over 300 mg. Okay, so that day will cancel day, and then mg will cancel mg. Is that okay? So this will let us know how many tablets are administered every 4 hours to this patient. And that if you do this, you multiply 30 by 53, okay, by 1, by 1, by 1, same, right? And then you divide by 6 times 300. That should give you 0.88 pills every 4 hours. Sounds good. Okay, let me break this down. Let me do the multiplication. I know some of you struggle with the multiplication. So we do 30 times 53. Okay, times 1 times 1 times 1 will give you 1,590. And then you divide by 6 by 300. That is 1,800 at the bottom. Okay. So if you do 1,590 divided by 1,800, that should give you your 0.88 that we're referring to. Okay, so that's the first part of the problem. Now the second part says that the intravenous suspension flow should be set to dash GATA per hour. And we shouldn't forget that if we're going back to this to clarify, to be able to solve the problem, it says the suspension with a drop factor of 10 GATA per ml or 10 drops per ml delivers the drug intravenously, okay, to the patient over 12-hour period. What flow rate should be used in units of GATA per hour? So we have to go, we'll go through a similar process that we did for the A part. So what we have to do is that we do 30 kg over 1 multiplied by 53 mg over 1 kg times, and that is per day. Okay. Then we're going to do in a day, we know that we have 24 hours in a day because we are looking at hours at this time. And then we're going to multiply by the suspension of 5 ml, okay, out of 200 mg. And then we'll multiply by the drop or the GATA. So we have 10 GTT per ml, okay? So you notice that when you do the cancellations, this takes care of that, okay? Day will take care of day. All right, mg will take care of mg. ml takes care of ml. So you notice that our answer will just be in GATA per hours. So when you do this, you do 30 by 53 by 5 by 10. So 30 by 53 by 5 by 10. And that this should give you, so I'm going to do equal sign right here. This should give you 7,9,500. Okay. And now you're going to divide by, we have 24 by 200. So 24 by 200 gives you 4,800. Okay. So do 7,9,500 and then divide by that, and that should give you 16.56 GTT or drops per hour. Okay. And that settles the problem. Sounds good? All right. Thank you very much for your time. And let me know if you have questions. Thank you.